Hello, Claire Ridgway here. I just wanted to share with you my unboxing of my book, the author copies of the book that I've written with Dr. Owen Emmerson, The Boleyns of Hever Castle. I shared a few weeks ago Owen's unboxing of his books, his author copies. Unfortunately, mine got stuck in customs and actually ended up getting sent back to the printer. So it's taken this long for me to finally get my author copies of my books. So I have got a package here because there's a book for my mum in there as well. I've got to get Owen to sign it for my mum. So let's have a look. Ooh, it's really exciting. I think lots of people have seen it and I haven't. So, ooh. Oh, wow. There we go. The Boleyns of Hever Castle, Owen Emmerson and Claire Ridgway. Oh, it's me on the back. And my dear friend Owen as well. Don't we look good? Oh, wow. It's quite amazing when you see something that you've worked hard on for months and finally see it in the flesh. So it's quite emotional. You never lose that when you're an author. I mean, I've written quite a number of books now, and it's still just as exciting to see. And oh, the cover. I just love that painting of Hever. It really is stunning. I'm just going to open it. Oh, wow. Oh, it really has come out beautifully with the illustrations. It's got over 65 images. I think we counted them, over 65 images. And it really does look stunning. I'm going to have a leaf through it. I'll show you. I'm not sure whether you can see. You can see just how image heavy it is, and that was our whole aim, was to make it look as beautiful as we felt that, you know, Hever Castle and the Boleyns deserved. And there we've got Elizabeth, the portrait of Elizabeth that hangs at Hever. Oh, it just looks superb. I'm so pleased. I'm just trying to find one of Owen's plans that Owen and Tim did of the castle. I can't remember what page it's on. I can't find it. Oh, here we go. So I've got floor plans as well, so that people can visualise the rooms that we're talking about as we sort of take you on a tour of the castle. I'm just so blown away by how fab it looks in real life, because it's so hard. Even, you know, when you see the layouts, when you get a PDF of the layout and you see it, it's still hard to visualise it. So I'm blown away, and I do think my mum will be quite pleased to get a copy in the post, my mum and dad, when I sign it for them and get Owen to sign it. So here's the book. It is released on the 1st of August, and we're doing a book signing and talk at Hever Castle on the 1st of August, which I am terrified about, but it will be fab for Owen and I to sort of talk about the Boleyns and Hever at Hever. That will be quite a pinch me moment. So yeah, it's available in this paperback copy, sort of coffee table style, this shape. Or it's also available on Kindle from Amazon as well. So there you go, The Boleyns of Hever Castle by Owen Emmerson and yours truly, Claire Ridgway. Yeah, I'm so pleased. Can you tell? See you very soon. Bye-bye.